I'm gonna throw this as far as I can. It's gonna be lit.
Okay.
Let's just go on.
All right, guys. I low-key forgot to start filming before we went, but we've been on a hike. Um, the trail's kind of. There's a bunch of trails. Yeah.
Pretty freaking sick, honestly. Mask right there.
What?
I swear, there's a mask.
Mask.
It's under the rock at the very tip of the bottom. You see it? Creepy.
Where? Like a real mask?
It's the rock now.
What mask?
At the very, very bottom, it looks like it has teeth. It's like white strip.
That's a rock, bro. I
I
think.
Yeah, probably.
I got it on video, so we'll see.
You check it out or not?
We can? You want? If it's a mask, don't touch it.
Okay.
Cause probably got like a curse on it or some shit.
No, man. I think it's the rock. Alright. Keep going.
Bro just had to come fly to the hike. You know, with my hiking boots. Forgot to mention, we smoked 3 joints. How you feeling?
Chilling.
We saw some donkeys earlier. Oh yeah, we don't know if this is all poison ivy or not. There were signs that said, "Watch out for poison ivy, coyotes, rattlesnakes." Ah, I just got stabbed by one of the branches. Yeah. This is the way? Huh? Okay, if you say so. Mushrooms.
So you're gonna pick it up.
What the fuck is this?
Bro, my feet are all mushy. They're wet.
Mine are waterproof.
Mine are water soaked through.
Which way are we supposed to go?
Let's see. Let's go.
I think this way.
Hey.
Wait, Ozzy?
I'm in Medallion. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm friends with Page Road. Yeah.
This way or this way?
Me both like that.
I hope we went the right way.
You crap said it. Thank you. Let's see. Start yelling for help.
Should I?
Yeah, just like. You should get through it.
Oh, that's the trail. That's the trail. That's the trail. Oh, oh, sweet trail. Oh, oh, oh. Go! Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh, he kept going. Oh, he's going. Oh, he's going. Oh, he's gone. I don't know. I hope so. Did we?
I hope so.
Yeah, we did. He jumped off of that rock. He was like, watch this. And then he jumped off of this rock. And then he touched his shirt on that. Remember?
I'm so cool. Yeah, my name is.
Oh, they're just up there rapping right now.
Fuck. Why is it so hard to rhyme? I don't know. Who's there? Who's there?
Ozzy, don't. Bro wants to touch a donkey. Bro, that's not a gatito. That shit was loud though. Coyote?
Yeah.
Where?
Oh my god, it's a. Oh my god, it's so adorable. Oh, I don't want to pet him. Yeah. Hey, 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 come here. Should I try something at him?
No. No.
Should I go pet him?
No. Bro wants to pet him.
I would pet him if I was by myself, honestly.
But your mom is like worried. I don't want to be the responsible for you. You get me?
Ugh, I guess that's fair.
No, she'll never let you go out again.
Gatito, vente pa acá. If he comes here, I can pet him.
Oh.
That's tough.
Yeah.
Everyone can hear. Literally, bro. Oh yeah, literally, bro.
Look at this food. It's kind of. Is that tough?
Yeah, he said.
Imagine dirt bikes.
Their bikes or e-bikes too.
Bro.
It's fun, bro. You gotta try it.
Bro, an e-bike low key would be fun on here.
Because we can't even go that fast on the dirt bike. You think about it. Right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm
The
saying.
e-bike would catch up really fast.
What?
Who won't stop me? Who won't stop me with this mine?
Facts.
We'll just come back in a couple hours. From like LA. That'd be crazy.
Oh shit.
I had to stop myself. I think it's just raining for the rain.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe it'll start raining again.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
It rained like 5 times on us.
Yeah, honestly, I think it's just fucking rain. Crazy, honestly.
Hopefully my car's not broken into.
Yeah, literally.
I'd be so mad.
So I'd be like, we're gonna find it.
That's the car for fingerprints.
Or beat them up really bad.
And steal all his shit.
Yeah. They're all the clothes.
What? Was that hard?
Yeah. Bro, think about it. With the e-bike, bro, we can get a few programs. Bro, my stomach hurts hurt
What?
from all that running.
I know, mine too. I'm waiting for him. Pretty good hike. Okay, didn't make it to the top. Huh? Yeah. We didn't show the camera. What a shame, this trash. My car's down there. Right there. Oh, now the sun wants to come out, bro. Kind of beautiful.
You see, that's your part.
All right, rate the hike.
It was lit. Definitely lit, bro. I gotta start hiking.
We should come back and do like different routes.
Yeah, and we should fucking invite people too, bro. Like, the whole team.
Yeah, like fuck Omar, fuck Nova.
Yeah, fuck Omar. Fuck
Bro,
Omar.
we should invited Barlos.
Bro,
We forgot, bro.
he could have fucking
Bro, we
honestly
forgot.
came.
He could have probably came, to be honest. Fuck. Call that fool right now, man.
Bro, oh, should we?
He probably couldn't have came.
I feel bad. Let's just not let him.
Yeah. We should tell him next time, though.
Yeah, next time then. We should be like, oh, we should come to a hike today. We went on a hike one time.
Yeah. But this is a cool hike. You should get some actual hiking boots, though.
Yeah. Hey, what do you want to get? Wingstop?
Wingstop?
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two.
I think there's something in my boot.
Bro, you're funny, man.